Now, a political earthquake has hit the Trinamool Congress. 20 of the party's 28 Lok Sabha members of parliament have formally broken ranks and approached the Lok Sabha Speaker, Mr. Om Birla, claiming that they have merged with the Nationalist Citizens Party, which is a Tripura-based party, and they want recognition now as a separate bloc in parliament. More significantly, the rebel camp has openly declared that it will work with the NDA under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. Let's listen in to what some of them had to say.
AITC से चुने हुए 20 सांसद स्पीकर साहब से मिलकर अलग बैठने का चिट्ठी दिया और ये 20 सांसद जो हमारे कुल मिला के जितने हैं उसमें से 2/3 से ज्यादा है। हम ये जो झूठ अपील पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया से उसके बाद क्या होगा, हम काम करेंगे राष्ट्र के लिए और प्रधानमंत्री के नेतृत्व में एनडीए के साथ हम लोग काम करेंगे।
नेशनलिस्ट सिटीजन्स पार्टी को साथ हम लोग मार्च करेंगे। वो एक स्वीकृत पार्टी है रीजनल का स्तर पे। कोई पार्टी 2/3 लेके चले जाते हो तो पहले दिन ही तुम नहीं बोल सकते हो कि हमारा पार्टी को तुम ये नाम दे दो। 20 जुलाई जब पार्लियामेंट खुलेगा तो अब वो पार्टी तृणमूल में आएंगे, तब हम लोग बोलेंगे नहीं हम लोग को भी तृणमूल दो क्योंकि तृणमूल से हमारा 2/3 है। तब कोर्ट में जाएगा और कोर्ट डिसाइड करेंगे कौन पार्टी।
हम एमसीपीआई के साथ मार्च इसीलिए करते हैं, एमसीपीआई का तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना। हमारा मॉडल को थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, हमारा थोड़ा पोजीशन आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम बढ़ाने चाहता है कि हमारा 20+ ये मिल के एक साथ आए। उसमें क्या है, आगामी करंट डे में हमको फ्यूचर में ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस मिलेगा, इसीलिए किया है। देखिए ममता बनर्जी जो ढंग से पॉलिटिक्स किया है, जो सपोर्ट उनको मिला था वो रख नहीं पाया, उसका सपोर्ट सब फैमिली में घुस गया, ये हो गया एक बर्बाद। अभिषेक का चाल बोल खेला लेला सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन अंदर क्या है, वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, अच्छा बोलता है, उल्टा पाल्टा नहीं बोलता है, ममता से भी अच्छा बोलता है।
तो चलो अभी पार्टी कल तो गए थे हम लोग, आप लोग देखे, सब कुछ पता है आप लोगों को। तो अभी चलो नेक्स्ट जुलाई में सेशन है, तब हम लोग देखेंगे क्या क्या हो रहा है। नहीं अभी तो चलो लीडरशिप, कौन लीडर कौन डेपुटी ये सब ठीक होगा, फिर चलेगा।
Now, a major twist that has now emerged in the battle over the real TMC. Times Now has accessed exclusive details from the key discussions that had taken place at Bhupendra Yadav's residence, the Union Minister for Environment, revealing sharp differences within the rebel camp itself. Sources also indicate that there's a clear divide now within the rebel TMC MPs over the road ahead. One faction pushed for a complete break from the parent Trinamool Congress, advocating that the group give up the party's name, its symbol and the political identity altogether, because presumably that was associated with Mamta Banerjee. Now, this view had found support among younger members of parliament, including Shravani Ghosh, June Malia and Mitali Bagh. But another faction favoured a different strategy. Instead of a total split, this group argued for retaining the claim to the Trinamool Congress's legacy and seeking recognition as the party's authentic continuation. Sources also say that this faction had wanted to move ahead while preserving the TMC's identity as well as electoral symbol. Now, these inside details point to growing differences over strategy even before any formal move is made, raising fresh questions now about the future shape of the rebellion and the fight over who can now claim to be the real Trinamool Congress. One faction favoured making a complete break. The other wanted to give up the party's symbol and political identity. And there was, of course, one faction that wanted to retain all of this as well. Let me go across to my colleague Rajesh, who will get us some more details. Rajesh, what is the resolution as far as this impasse is concerned? Some members of parliament want the Trinamool Congress to acquire a new identity, or their faction of the TMC to acquire a new identity. They essentially want to start afresh and distance themselves completely from the legacy of Mamta Banerjee, while there is another faction that now claims that they're the true legatees of the original TMC. Where is this all now headed?
See, this is discussion is still underway because there was differences in opinion, because a fraction of the parties want to carry the TMC's logo, the party's logo symbol, and the name and political identity of Trinamool Congress, keeping Mamata Banerjee as the leader. But another fraction of the party wants to merge with the NCPI party, which we came to know yesterday. This was a party, this was a political party whose name was unknown in the state till yesterday. We didn't even know about this political party till yesterday, but this party is going to be the center of attraction and discussion in the state today in Bengal politics. Now this is probably going to be the largest political party from West Bengal in parliament in terms of members of Lok Sabha, and as per the numbers of member in the Lok Sabha. So when a fraction of the party want to merge with this party, but we have to also see the differences in opinion in the state leadership also, because when we spoke to the state leadership of NCPI, they are also not willing to accept all those TMC leaders, especially TMC MLAs, because when we spoke to some top leaderships in the state of West Bengal, they spoke to us and said that they didn't have any idea about this merge, because they said the party president cannot take this decision solely, because he needs to communicate with all the party workers and leaders of state leadership as well as the national leadership, because this was a party. So precedent was made by the party members. So president should discuss the same thing with all the party leaders in the state of West Bengal as well.
Right.
But it was not discussed yet. But now we are seeing in the Facebook page of NCPI, they are welcoming all those TMC leaders, especially TMC MPs. Till last night, NCPI Facebook page
we'll
has.
See how this unfolds, Rajesh. In the meantime, stay with us, because there are responses now coming from the parent Mamata Banerjee camp as well, which has now decided to fight back. Now, even before the rebels met the Lok Sabha Speaker, the party urged him to not recognize any separate faction. Now, this was based on a letter that was written by Abhishek Banerjee to the Lok Sabha Speaker. And he argued that there's only one Trinamool Congress and that no group of members of parliament can create a parallel political identity inside the parliament. Mamata Banerjee's faction has said that rebel MPs have betrayed the voters who elected them on the TMC symbol.
They are not elected as independent MPs here. They elected as Trinamool Congress, and the voters who supported them, each and every voter who supported them, they are anti-Bhajpa voters, right? And now they are shifting to pro-Bhajpa, NDA. So this is not a betrayal, not only betrayal with Mamata Didi ya Trinamool Congress, but also betrayal with each and every voters of them.
I strongly condemn their attitude, because they won the election by using the photo and name of Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool Congress. So this is basically a treachery. Immediately it has been felt that they could not form a bloc. So their question of their leadership is gone. Now they are going to fight to join parliament under somebody else's leadership. So it's a bad precedent. How much was the pressure? Pressure can't be like that. The 2022 MP should go. Something complicated and गहरा है. दाल में कुछ काला है.
Now, with Trinamool Congress MPs conveying to the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla that they had merged with the Nationalist Citizens Party of India and that they want to sit in the House as a separate bloc, well, the spotlight has now moved to a lesser-known entity, which is the NCPI, which has been active in the states of Assam as well as Tripura in recent years. Now, according to the Election Commission of India website, the NCPI is among registered or unrecognized parties with a symbol of a pen nib with 7 rays. Times Now spoke to Shantanu De, who is a national leader of the NCPI, who said that the party president has not consulted them regarding any merger proposal. And according to him, it cannot take such a major decision all by itself.
ये जो हम लोग का जो प्रेसिडेंट है वो बोलना चाहता है मार्च करने के लिए, मगर इसके बारे में पूरा जो हमारा दल जो है, वो दल का जो लीगल सेल के लोग है या युवा का जो नेता है, ठीक है, जो स्पोक्स पर्सन है, वो किसी से बात नहीं किया। सिर्फ मेरा अकेला डिसीजन से या उत्ते कुंडू शिवली कुंडू का अकेला डिसीजन से कुछ नहीं होता है। दल का जो है वही कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है। सबके पास, सबके साथ जो नेता लोग है, जो दल को बनाया, जिसने दल को बनाया, दल को आगे लेके गया, जो लोग, उन लोगों के साथ अगर वो बिछड़े हुए एमपी जो लोग है, जो गुट है, वो अगर बैठ के बात करते हैं तब जाके एक फैसला हो सकता है। उसके पहले कैसे कोई फैसला ले सकेगा?
Now, the Congress party has pinned the blame on the BJP for the split, saying that political defections have become an everyday event, and they've also called it the betrayals on the part of the rebel MPs, who they've now described as betrayers, that they've not only betrayed Mamata Banerjee and the India bloc, but also the people of West Bengal. This is the reaction coming from the Congress party.
बीजेपी लोकतंत्र को खत्म करना चाहती है। बीजेपी एक पार्टी का शासन चाहती है और उसी दिशा में ये लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। लोकतंत्र खत्म होगा तो समझ लीजिए गरीब की, दलित की, आदिवासी की आवाज तो बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाएगी। उनको कोई पूछने वाला भी नहीं होगा। चूंकि कोई सवाल उठाने वाला नहीं बचेगा, फिर स्थिति देश के अंदर क्या होगी उसकी कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते।
This has become an everyday event. JP is using all possible mechanisms that has been going on, a practice which is going on. They want to poach MPs, be it, they have lost focus on governance. Their focus is on getting the numbers, changing the constitution, amending according to how they want. Let us say that it is not all parties, it is not all MPs who will fall into the trap of BJP.